Om Namah Shivaya. Sir, this is the most complicated conch, Indian Ocean Puja conch ever produced from Indian Ocean and in this world. She is a perfect natural conch with four tail. You can see clear four tail. 1, 2, 3 and 4. Perfectly clear four tail. And when you see, sir, look like a Ganesh. We can see now also you look like a Ganesh. One Ganesh, look like a third Ganesh, fourth Ganesh. In any angle, you can see multiple Ganesh in this conch, multiple Lord Ganesh in this conch. When you see clear face of Lord Ganesh, trunk, tusk, Lord Ganesh tusk, and you can see Lord Ganesh eye, mouth. It is perfect Lord Ganesh. Very unbelievable, sir. And when you keep like this, sir, you can see clear Shivalingam, and bottom yoni. See, very clear Shivalingam, bottom yoni. Extremely unbelievable collection, sir. In nest in this world like this conch, never we can get such a complicated conch. You can feel extreme energy and vibration when you keep in hand. When you keep in hand and see, you can feel extreme energy and vibration in this conch. Most precious jewel from Indian Ocean. It is most precious jewel from Indian Ocean. Om Namah Shivaya. Om Namah Shivaya. Om Namah Shivaya.